welcome back to Rod Doing Stuff. So today what we're doing, we've got us a 3-pound package of Russian bees that we picked up this morning. We're going to put them in this hive. I have 2 other hives. I didn't think the one was going to make it through the winter, so I ordered another package of bees, but it did make it through the winter. So now we're going to have 3 hives. So I'm going to show you how we install these. First thing we want to do is we want to just shake them down to the bottom. And you pull this can out like so, and then we've got the queen. I'm going to pull her out, make sure she's still kicking in there. She is. And so then it's already got a candy plug in there that they put in it. The bees will eat out. So we're going to put that there. And we're going to stick this thumbtack right in the top of there to hold that queen cage, and we'll just tuck it down there in between a couple frames. So we got the queen in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to shake these bees in here. And they're going to get kind of ticked off, but you know. Okay, so we got almost all of them out. You see they're a little ticked. So we're going to set that right in front of the hive. And then we'll just put these frames back in there. Like so. And we're just going to center these up. Set this over here for now. I've got a top feeder we're going to put on here to help them get going. I'll brush these guys back in here. Come on, move these. Move these. Move these. So, that there. We'll fill this with some sugar water. Help them get going. Give them a little boost. Okay. And we put the top on here. I'm going to put this entrance reducer on the bigger setting. Well, yeah, so that they can, otherwise they can't defend that big an entrance yet because they're not enough of them. And then we'll just put the top cover back on it here. I'm going to set this, and somewhere to set this where they can get to it. Probably right there. You can still get underneath and drink out of it. And we're just going to let them be. They'll fly around here for a bit, do some orientation flights and stuff, figure out where they are, figure out they can smell the queen on the inside, and then they'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. That's how we install a package of bees. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Help us out a bunch.